Money and credit. Now, in the olden days, there was something called as barter system. Now, what's barter system? Basically, it was exchanging one type of goods for the other. I'll give you an example. Suppose you had rice with you and the other had tomatoes. So suppose you wanted tomatoes and the other person wanted rice, you would exchange each other's goods. But there were flaws in this area. Because of this problem, the actual money came into existence. Let's learn a little bit about money and credit. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's get into this class. Let's talk about money. Money has made exchange simple and convenient. Money serves as a measure of value in terms of monetary unit. I'll give you an example. Now we can put monetary price on something. Example, 1 kg of sugar is equal to 40 rupees, etc. So money serves as measure of value in terms of monetary unit. There are different forms of money. Ancient times, money was made from precious metals such as gold, silver and copper. In modern times, we use paper money. Then why is it so valuable? One, it is authorized by Government of India and it is controlled by the RBI, that is the Reserve Bank of India. Let's move forward. Your parents save money and they deposit in a bank, and they can withdraw those deposits on demand whenever the need arises. And these deposits are called as demand deposits. Let's listen to it one more time. Demand deposits. Now, you can deposit money in a bank and withdraw it on demand. That is called as demand deposit. Check is basically a paper instruction given to a bank to pay specific amount from a person's account to the person on whose name the check is made. Moving on, let's talk about credit. What is credit? Now, as soon as you hear the word credit, a word loan should come to your mind. So what is loan? Basically, it's an agreement between lender and a borrower. So the lender supplies money to the borrower in return of promise of payment with interest. What are its advantages? Loan can help people to build their house. It can help to expand their business. And farmers can also take loan to grow crops. By buying better equipments, they can have better productivity. What are its disadvantages? High rate of interest, security assets, and difficulty for poor people. Now, security assets, I'll talk about it a little later. Terms of credit. So what it takes to get a loan passed. First, you have to accept the interest rate. Second, collateral. Now, asset. Now you have to keep some documents with the bank, either of the house or of the land, in order to get some loan from the bank. And thirdly, documentation. You should have valid ID proof such as Aadhaar card, PAN card, birth certificate, etc. Let's move ahead. Let's talk about sectors of credit. There are basically two types of sectors of credit: formal sources and informal sources. So what comes under formal sources? Formal sources are anything that is controlled by the government, such as banks and cooperatives. Informal sources is between friends and money lenders. Finally, let's talk about self-help groups. In a self-help group, there are basically 15 to 20 members. These 15 to 20 people deposit some amount of money in the group. In case there is money need, one of the members from the group, that money can be lent to that particular person on loan. Now, these small self-help groups, or they are called as SHGs, work wonderfully. Why? They have regular meetings, and because of the regular meetings, along with the discussions of money, also discuss social issues such as cleanliness in the society, public health, transport, better educational facilities. They try and discuss this. So these self-help groups work out wonderfully. So that's it for today. See you next time. Take care. Thank you very much.